Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a full day of eating and training. I'm going to show you what I'm eating, why I'm eating it, and just how I'm structuring my whole day. I'm a week out of Perth HYROX, so this is going to be my last large day of training before I taper off for that. So hopefully it's entertaining, but you'll also take a bit of value out of it too. So our first meal of the day is electrolytes and creatine, some caffeine, and 2 muffins, 1 banana, and honey on top. So this meal's not massive. I don't like eating a lot in the morning, but at the end of the day, you got to fuel to perform. So the goal of this meal is just getting carbs in. All these ingredients are carb dominant and different types of carbs, so it helps with digestion, which is great. So hopefully it helps me out with the session to come. I'll also chuck up my macros and calories throughout the day and keep running tally of that. And I will catch you at my first session.
I'm on my way to the gym now. I always try and walk there when the weather's good, which thankfully that's a lot of the time. My first session is going to be arms, which is probably negatively going to impact HYROX, fatigue me a little bit coming into that session. But that's okay, because I also want to enjoy training, and more importantly, I don't want to have small arms. So yeah, let's go train them first off.
Alright, arms are crushed out. I only done 12 sets, so keeping it smart, not fatiguing myself too much for this HYROX session. I done 6 sets of biceps, 6 sets of triceps, which is plenty. Now it's on to the HYROX session. So the goal today is just to get about 40 to 50 minutes of work in, and I'm going to get my heart rate up to around about 150 to 170, and I just want to hold it there the whole time. This is going to be similar to what it will be in the race, a little bit under, just so I'm not, again, fatiguing myself a lot. The movements I'll be running through are ski erg, rower, lunges, thrusters for the wall balls, and burpees. So a few of my weakness movements, got the machines in there to help with the cardio, keep the heart rate up. And the idea of the session is not only to keep the heart rate up high for the whole time, but also to get these weakness movements in, get the efficiency down packed, just so the body's firing and ready for the weekend to come. So it's probably going to be a bit of a crap session and fun, but I'm sure afterwards it'll be all worth it. I'll also be having a protein water before I start the session, just because it's not going to be heavy in the guts, and also get me some extra protein in and hydration.
Alright, that's cardio done. There is a lot of fatigue there, which is masking my true fitness, but that's what the next week's for, to get rid of all that and come in fresh. Glad it's over, definitely glad it's over. So now I'm just going to go head back home, get some lunch, refuel before I go into my run.
Now we're back home and I'm going to have my lunch. I've got 2 different things here. First off, I'm a little bit excited for these ones. They're muffins with avocado, but they're pizza flavor muffins, and I haven't seen this one from this brand yet. And my main meal is going to be rice, 100 grams of rice, 200 grams of turkey, and then just a bag of steamed veggies. The idea here is to get lots of carbohydrates in again, because I've still got a training session to come, which will be the run in a couple of hours. So I'll get that in, get my protein in, and I might even have another muffin, I don't know. We'll see how they taste, and we'll go from there. First off, we'll give these a review. They definitely taste like pizza, almost like the pizza shapes, and that's about it. Other than that, it's like a normal muffin. And I'm probably not going to review this because it's not fancy at all, and it's just going to taste average. So I'll smash this down and then get a couple hours of work in and meet you back for a run. Alright, I couldn't help myself, had to go another muffin. I'm going to go 2 though, because I'm pretty hungry, and I'm just going to go avocado on them again. So now I'll see you at the run.
After a lot of procrastination, I've made it out for my run. The plan is 7 to 8 kilometers at race pace, and that'll be my last hard run until HYROX. Like I said, procrastinated a lot here. I am not feeling it one bit. Probably didn't help with all the carbs I ate at lunchtime. But we're out now, about to start. Gonna crush it out, and I will see you after. Maybe a couple during, but after. Also, I'll be aiming for about a 4:40 pace, I think. So let's go. Halfway point now. Cardio's holding up all right. Muscles are certainly feeling it, but 3.5 to go. I've chosen to do 7 because the body's not feeling great. So we'll smash out this 3.5 and be done with training. And that's the run done. 7 kilometers down, 4:33 pace. Cardio felt good the whole way. Like I said, at halfway point, the muscles felt a lot. But that's all the excess fatigue I'm carrying at the moment. And now the hardest training is done and it's time to taper off, ready for Perth next week. So the only thing left for me now is to go have a shower and then it'll be dinner time, I reckon. So I'll see you then. So before dinner, I've got to come clean. This was a full loaf of bread. I ate about half a loaf because I cannot resist fresh bread. It tastes so goddamn good. Honey, peanut butter, whatever, avocado, I just love it. So ate a bit of bread there, which is going to add to the calories and carbs, but oh well, it happens. All right, dinner is served. So we have a couple goals with this. We're going to get our fats back in, obviously have our protein, and what the biggest goal is, just super nutritious. So I'll run you through what I got here. I've got liver, which is obviously nutritious. I know not a lot of people are fans of it, but I don't mind it. Got 2 eggs, got 500 grams of sweet potato, and we got vegetables with some Kewpie mayo on top. Now the Kewpie mayo is sriracha, no, not sriracha, wasabi flavor. So as you can see, a lot of whole foods, really nutritious stuff there. And like I said, that's the goal of the meal. Now afterwards, I'll have dessert, so I'll catch you then. All right, so we're on to the last meal of the night. I'm a little bit of a snacker when it comes to this time. So my favorite one is a Ninja Creamy. This is also my favorite flavor, which is the peanut butter. And I've added some chocolate spiders in that my girlfriend made. So it's on the higher calorie side here. These are usually anywhere from 200 to 500 calories. This one's closer to 500. But as you can see, lots of volume, super filling, which is a great way to finish the night. So that's a wrap on training and nutrition today. A week out of Perth HYROX. For me now, I've just got to continue eating all right and tapering down, ready for the weekend to come. I'll certainly be making a video about it, and I've also got a lot more competitions coming up this year, including one international. So I'm pumped to document the whole journey of all of them. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see my upcoming competitions, and enjoy the day.